Naranasan mo na ba yung pagkagising mo sa umaga, saka ka palang magde-decide, teka, ano bang gagawin ko? The problem with that is you are probably not in the mood most of the time. Because again, you are in the burnout trap. Burnout ka na nga eh, pagod ka na nga eh, sagad ka na nga eh. So hindi ka na makapag-isip ng tama, clouded na yung utak mo. It's hard for you to decide right away. That is the main reason why you will search for it, you will look for what you want in social media. Of course, when you are clouded, you want an elaborate, beautiful plan that you can do. Ready ka na ngayon mag-take ng action. Ito yung good news. Gabi na. So wala ka na ngayong willpower and energy to take massive action. At pag nag-take ka ng action, kahit itodo mo, tandaan nyo, most of the time, when you take action, it will not work the first time. So marireject ka, masasaktan ka, magfa-fail ka, susuko ka kaagad, and you will say and assume that this is not for me, hindi to para sa akin. Babalik ka lang sa loop, babalik ka lang sa burnout trap. Yes, na-burnout ka, napagod ka, kakaisip. And that's decision fatigue.